Okay, so I've got a 1999 first gen Tacoma, and we are going to fix the exterior door handle because it's... Hopefully it doesn't take too long, but who knows. Okay, I don't know if I can wear these both at the same time. Oh. Whoops. So, we're going to change this. We're going to change this door handle. This thing is broken. Oh, got grease on the floor. Well, took that. I don't even know how to do this. It's so gross. So that's easy. Screws stay in there. We gotta watch a YouTube video. What?
I'm sliding it in between the door handle.
Are you serious? Bro, what?
Sure, let me put this back in. This part out.
Thank you, Martin93003. I'm glad I watched the video.
Slide it down.
Oh yeah, it's 10:30. Let's do it. Why not? Easy. Oh, he's right. It's delicate. Oh! Up on. Oh! Cool. Why am I doing this? I don't know. I mean, he takes a piece of elastic, but this has got to be like the same thing, right? So he just goes like this. He's like, oh! No way. What? I hope you can see that. Oh my, no way. Great. Oh! And then there's a clip right here. Right here. One right here. Cool. Just like that. Easy. And that guy all the way up. 2 bolts. So, oh, it's a 10. Ugh. What? That's an 8. Okay. 10. All right. Finally have a 10. Oh, shoot. Ah. I got the new door handle in. Like, just the 2 bolts. You have to line up this lock. And then I clipped this back on. Okay? It was actually a lot easier than I thought it would be, which is sick. And now I'm gonna... Oh, and also, the door handle, it works again. Cool. Try it. Oh! Finally. Okay. Perfect. Slide it up underneath. I love old cars. So it's gonna sit right there. Oh yeah. So as long as it's lined up, the door panel goes right back in. Opposite how it came out. Ah. Then we'll clip him like that. Push it forward, slide it back, clean off your hair here, gross. Gonna put this screw back in. Easy. Alright, that's tight. Okay, that's it. Done. All right, so this actually took way less time than I thought it would. When I started, I thought it was going to be like a huge problem, but it's an old truck, so it actually was like super simple. It took me like 15, 20 minutes. Yeah, it's just, if you know where the clips are and just kind of take your time, then it's actually not that bad, which is pretty dope.